Now I am going to do the problem related to consumables. So already we know that consumable adjustments, amount paid to creditors, amount paid to creditors, add opening advance paid to creditor, less closing advance paid to creditor, add closing creditors for stationery, less opening creditors for stationery, uh, creditors for stationery, then you will get a credit purchase of stationery. With that, add cash purchase, then you will get total purchase of stationery. If cash purchase is not given means, it is not given means this amount will be total purchase of stationery. From that, you have to minus book value of material sold, stationery sold. Next, with that, add opening stock less closing stock. Then we will get amount of stationery consumed during the year. So we will do the last question related to consumables. The first, calculate the amount of sports material to be transferred to income and expenditure account of Chirag Gargs Sports Club. Chirag Gargs Sports Club, Ludhiana for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay, so calculation of sports material to be transferred to be shown on the profit loss account. Right? Calculation of sports material to be shown in income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. Okay, so column, into column, particulars, amount. Now, so you have to look at the question. First one, we know that amount paid to creditors. Amount paid to creditors for sports material. Sports material. Amount paid to creditors for sports material 91,000. 91,000. So we know that with that here opening advance, closing advance not given. Okay, opening advance paid to creditor, closing advance paid to creditor not given. So creditors we can write. Add closing creditors, closing creditors for sports material, closing creditors for sports material, closing creditors it is 45,000 less opening opening creditors for sports material, opening creditors for sports material, it is given 37,000. Okay, 90. So here you have to look at the question amount paid to creditor, then add closing creditors for sports material less opening creditors for sports material. So that it will be the means credit purchase of which one, credit purchase of sports material. Okay, this will be the credit purchase of sports material. credit purchase of sports material 99,000. Next, with that, add here cash purchase is given. Cash purchase of sports material. Cash purchase of sports material. Sports material. It is given in the question 40,000. 40,000. Then this will be the total purchase of sports material. Total purchase of sports material. Okay. Credit purchase plus cash purchase. Credit purchase plus cash purchase. That is total purchase. So how to find out credit purchase of sports material? Amount paid to creditors. With that, closing creditors for sports material you have to add opening creditors related to credit purchase. That you have to less. Then you will get credit purchase of sports material. With that, add cash purchase. Here, cash purchase is given. Then you will get a total purchase of sports material. Now we know that in the format book value of sports material sold. So you have to write less book value of sports material sold. Sports material sold. So in this question, it is given first item sports material sold during the year. Book value 50,000. 4 rupees 56,000. So only we have to look at our value, book value. That is 50,000. 50,000. Now we know that what we have to do, add opening stock of sports material. Add opening stock of sports material. Add opening stock of sports material less add opening stock of sports material 50,000 less closing stock of sports material. Less closing stock of sports material. Closing stock of sports material 55,000. Over. So this amount only sports material used during the year. Right? Sports material transfer to income and expenditure.
$84,000.
84,000. Okay, in this question, majority of the contents are included. Adjustments. Okay, cash purchase is given. So amount paid to creditors for sports material, add a closing creditor, less opening creditor, then you will get credit purchase of sports material, add cash purchase, then you will get a total purchase of sports material, then less book value, material sold, then add opening stock, less closing stock. Now, so yesterday I sent some question in the first one. Same pattern only. Stock of sports material it is given. Amount paid to creditors. Then the creditors for sports material. Opening, closing, sports material sold, cash purchase of sports material. Then there was zero stock at the end of the financial year. This is a CBC question paper, standard question paper. Okay, so there was zero stock at the end of the financial year. Means no closing stock. Right, no problem. Okay, no closing stock. So we will do that problem. Calculation of the amount of sports material to be shown in income and expenditure. Income and expenditure account. So first, Sharat, first, what I write? So yesterday's question.
Amount paid to creditor for the sports material.
Everyone are Shubham Bharwale. Okay, amount paid to creditors for sports material. Can you remember, attend the class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. Amount paid to creditors for sports material is a crucial year for you. Okay. It will affect you. That's why I'm telling. Amount paid to creditors for sports material. Amount paid to creditors for sports material is given 3 lakh. Then add. Sharath, add
Closing stock.
closing stock. No. Closing. Not stock. Closing.
Creditors.
Yes. Closing creditors for sports material. Closing creditors for sports material 80,000. Next, tell us opening creditors for sports material. Opening creditors for sports material is given 1 lakh. So this will be the credit purchase of sports material. Credit purchase of sports material. Two lakh 80,000. Sharat, right? Then add Pavitra, add cash purchase of sports material. Cash purchase of sports material 1,30,000. 1,30,000. Now we will get total purchase of sports material. Four lakh 10,000. Then here opening stock it is given. Opening stock add opening stock of sports material.
So
Tell.
shouldn't we less book value?
Sorry. Yes. Yes, book value of material sold is given. So we have to minus. So less book value of sports material sold. Book value of sports material sold. So book value 35,000. Less then opening stock is there. Add opening stock of sports material. Sports material. Opening stock of sports material. So opening stock of sports material 60,000. So here closing stock it is given. Sharat, closing stock
Less.
it is given in the question.
Sir, I don't have the question.
So I sent in the group, our 12th class group. So if you have any private number, you tell me, you inform me, then I will send that number also. Okay. So this is the here closing stock. It is not given. Here it is given. There was zero stock at the end of the financial year. So this will be the sports material to be shown in income and expenditure account.
Four lakh 35,000.
Correct. Four lakh 35,000. Okay, so now our two items adjustment it is over. Which one? Special fund. Special fund. Special fund and consumables. So one thing you have to remember, if it is, I am telling the special fund only. If the question general fund is given, suppose example, general fund investment, then interest on general fund investment. Suppose I'm telling, suppose general fund, not special fund. So 1 lakh. Then general fund investment, general fund investment. General fund investment, suppose 80,000. Then interest on general fund investment. General fund investment. Okay, investment general fund investment 5,000. So it is not a special fund. So I said that about the adjustment related to special fund only. Suppose if it is a small 3 mark or 4 mark question, that in the same place tournament fund also there, then the general fund is also information are given. Already we did know question. In addition to that, this also given means it is a separate adjustment only. It is a general fund only. We know that there is a some it is correct. If it is a fund means we know that it will come liability side, general fund. You need to add anything, nothing you have to do. That same amount you have to write. Then the general fund investment, asset. General fund investment asset. Then interest on general fund. It will not come balance sheet. It will come income and expenditure account. Same like final account. Last year we studied same. It is this income. Credit side by interest on general fund investment. Okay. So means if it is a special fund means this interest we will add with the here we will add. If it is a general fund means no need a fund liability investment asset. Remaining interest on general fund investment 31. Suppose if we accrued adjustment it is there. Accrued general investment means with the income you have to add and balance sheet asset. Okay. Here no need to do anything. Okay, plus or minus nothing we have to do because it is a general fund. Same like which one last year is the final account that only no other adjustment. It is a specific fund only. If any income related to that fund you have to add and expense related to that fund you have to minus. Okay, so our two adjustment is over. Okay, special fund we studied. Next one, opening balance, add income from match fund, add accrued income, donation, sale of match tickets list, match expenses. Here investment and any adjustment is there that it will also come. Next one, consumables, stationery, medicine, sports material. So this adjustment that is also over. Next one, last the 4 marks. Sometimes they are asking 6 marks. They are asking. Okay, so subscription. Okay, subscription adjustment. So it is very easy subscription adjustment. So what do you mean by subscription? What do you mean by subscription? Aditya.
Amount paid by the member periodically.
Yes, yes. Amount collected from the members periodically. So it is the main sources of income of a not-for-profit organization. Suppose already, for example, 6 mark question, 8 mark question. So adjustment only about the subscription. Or we have to study about the subscription only. This one means 3 mark, 4 mark question only. It's on consumables and special fund. But if it is a 6 mark question, in that we have to do the subscription adjustment also. Okay. So what we have to do? So already we know that already last year we studied the final account. So you tell that final account, suppose if it is outstanding expenses, outstanding adjustment item I am telling, adjustment item, outstanding expenses and income received in advance. Adjustment means at the end only we understood at the end. So, adjustment item, outstanding salary. What we are doing normally, outstanding expenses, and it's add or less we are doing outstanding salary. With the salary, what we are doing, add or less in final account with the adjustments.
Add.
Add. Yes. This we are adding. Means at the end we are adding. End. Next, Anila Mohanan. Suppose commission received in advance, income received in advance. If adjustment it is given from commission, add or less we are doing. You are very brilliant. Karthik,
Less.
this. Okay, commission received in advance. It is a prepaid expense also we are minus. Prepaid expense, income received in advance minus. So here one thing I have to remember, outstanding. Suppose, sorry, if it is outstanding income also with accrued income, accrued outstanding same only. Accrued income means accrued interest, add. Okay, accrued income, outstanding expense, add. Prepaid expense, income received advance, less. Okay, this we know that. That only we are doing here. Okay, here end we know that. Suppose you look at subscription received during the year. Subscription received during the year. With that, if it is outstanding subscription, here subscription is our income. So outstanding income, end, add. Then opening will be, both it will give, opening will be less. Then received in advance, that is this one. Received in, subscription received in advance. Advance subscription received in advance. That is what end what we are doing, less. So opening add, closing less. Then you will get current year subscription. This amount only we will write in the income and expenditure account. Okay, so subscription, the 6-mark question also you can expect from this portion. Okay, subscription received during the year, add outstanding subscription at the end, less outstanding subscription in the beginning. That also you can write. Add subscription received in advance in the beginning, less subscription received in advance at the end. So through this way only, we will calculate the amount of subscription. So now itself, you have to study this one. Okay, subscription received during the year. With that, if it is outstanding subscription at the end, that you have to add outstanding and add. Then opening less. Then subscription received in advance. We know that end less only. Opening add. Opening same. Opening add, closing less. Received in advance. But outstanding means opposite. Closing add, opening less. Okay. Through that way only, we will get the amount of subscription. To be shown that which one, income and expenditure. Clear? Subscription received during the year, and outstanding subscription at the end. Less outstanding subscription in the beginning, add subscription received advance in the beginning, less subscription received in advance at the end. Otherwise, one more method is there. Sharath, here you can alternative method. You can choose any one. Okay. So through preparing subscription account, if you want, you can do this one. Right? That first one. Here, two choices there. So how to do? We know that you tell outstanding subscription is asset or liability. Aparna. Outstanding income. Asset or liability? Accrued income. Asset or liability?
Sir, which one? Outstanding?
Subscription. Outstanding income. Accrued income. Asset or liability?
Sir, liability?
No. Asset. Because it is income, no. Anila also said the brilliant answer. Okay, outstanding subscription, that is asset only. Don't, because you are thinking that outstanding expense. Outstanding expense is a liability, but it is income only. Outstanding income, accrued outstanding same only. But here you look that it is an income. So asset, asset. So we know that asset is debit balance. So opening outstanding subscription, debit side. Only you have to study one method. This is best. So for your understanding, actually, outstanding subscription is asset. So asset opening balance, debit side. Then asset closing balance, credit side. Means outstanding opening, debit side, outstanding closing, credit side. You will get the same answer. Next, subscription received in advance, income received in advance, asset or liability. Karthik,
Sir, can I repeat the question once more?
which one? This one. Outstanding subscription.
Yes, sir.
Outstanding subscription. We know that this is outstanding income. So outstanding income or accrued income, whether it is asset or liability.
Asset.
Asset. So asset, whenever we prepare the account, whenever we are preparing the ledger, if you are preparing the asset account, if you are preparing asset amount, opening balance will be debit side. Then the closing balance, both it is given means closing balance will be credit side. But if it is a liability, opening balance will be credit side. That is a liability. Then closing balance will be debit side. Okay, so outstanding subscription, that is asset. So opening debit side, closing credit side. But received in advance, liability, opening credit side, then the closing debit side. Now, nothing. If cash, if example, if you receive the subscription this year, entry will be cash accounted to subscription received. Cash accounted to subscription 10,000. Example, cash accounted to subscription. Any interest received, cash accounted to interest. Subscription received, cash accounted to interest. Okay, then we will balance. So credit side is more, 20,000. So from that, you have to minus this two. Then you will get 15,000. This only we will transfer to income and expenditure. Okay, suppose if you do in this question, you look at subscription 10,000, 10,000 received 10,000. Okay, now closing outstanding subscription. Closing outstanding subscription, it is given 4,000. 4,000. Closing add. Opening 2,000. Opening 2,000. I get 2,000. Then subscription received in advance. Opening 6,000. 6,000 opening add 6,000 closing 3,000. Okay, 20 minus 5. Okay, if you do both the method, you will get the answer. Okay, so we do it is just this one method only, but you have to know, you should know the account also. Okay. Outstanding subscription. asset debit opening balance, credit closing balance. Subscription received in advance, credit opening, closing, debit. Then this year we receive subscription by cash 10,000. Then balance amount will be transferred to income and expenditure. Okay, so next period we will do the problem. Okay, attend the class.